Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are putting two of India's most capable off-road family SUVs head-to-head, the Mahindra Thar ROXX and the Force Gurkha 5-door. Both bring serious go-anywhere credentials, 5-door convenience, and very different philosophies. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which one deserves your money. Let us start with the Mahindra Thar ROXX. This is the modern lifestyle off-roader. It launched in 2024 as the 5-door evolution of the iconic Thar, but it is engineered from the ground up. You get a brand new ladder frame chassis, a longer wheelbase of 2,850 mm, and it measures 44.28 mm in overall length. It looks aggressive, it looks premium, and Mahindra has clearly aimed it at buyers who want weekend adventure without giving up weekday comfort. The Force Gurkha 5-door is a very different animal. Force Motors built this for the hardcore off-road crowd. It has an old-school body-on-frame construction, a wheelbase of 2,800 mm, and a boxy upright silhouette that screams pure utility. Where the Thar ROXX tries to balance luxury and off-road ability, the Gurkha 5-door stays unapologetically rugged. It is the choice for those who take their terrain seriously. Now let us talk performance. The Mahindra Thar ROXX is offered with two engine choices. The petrol unit is a 2.0-litre M-Stallion turbo producing 162 brake horsepower and 330 Nm of torque. The diesel option is a 2.2-litre M-Hawk unit making 152 brake horsepower and a massive 330 Nm. Both are paired with either a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic transmission. The Gurkha 5-door on the other hand keeps it simple, a single 2.6-litre diesel engine producing 140 brake horsepower and 320 Nm of torque, mated only to a 5-speed manual. The Thar ROXX wins this round marginally on slightly more power and refinement. Off-road hardware is where the Gurkha hits back hard. The Force Gurkha 5-door comes standard with a proper 4x4 system including a low-range transfer case, front and rear differential locks, and live axles on both ends, yes, even the front. It also features an approach angle of 39 degrees, departure angle of 37 degrees, and a water wading depth of 700 mm helped by air intake snorkel. The Thar ROXX also packs a capable 4x4 system with low range and an optional rear differential lock on higher variants, with an approach angle of 41.7 degrees and wading depth of 650 mm. Both are serious off-roaders, but the Gurkha's front differential lock gives it an edge in the most extreme conditions. The cabin experience is where these two cars diverge most dramatically. Step inside the Thar ROXX and you are greeted by a premium, modern interior. There is a 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, a 7-inch digital instrument cluster, ventilated front seats, panoramic sunroof on top variants, and a Harman audio system. The rear seat passengers get generous legroom thanks to that longer wheelbase, and there is a dedicated rear AC system. This is a 5-seater that actually treats all 5 passengers well. The Force Gurkha 5-door interior is a cabin built for function. You get a 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system, but the dashboard is simple and built to last punishment. What the Gurkha does offer that the Thar ROXX does not, is a foldable rear seat layout that faces sideways in some configurations, great for overlanding and camp setups. The flat roof, boxy dimensions, and vertical glass give outstanding all-round visibility on the trail. Creature comforts are basic, but everything has a purpose. If you live on the trail, the Gurkha's cabin will make more sense to you. On the safety and technology front, the Thar ROXX again leads. Higher variants come with 6 airbags, electronic stability control, hill descent control, hill hold control, terrain response modes, and a 360-degree camera system. Thar ROXX has a 5-star Bharat NCAP rating. The Gurkha 5-door offers 2 airbags, ABS with EBD, and basic rear parking sensors. The Thar ROXX is clearly the more modern, safety-conscious choice for family buyers who prioritize passive and active safety systems. Let us now look at how the top trims of both vehicles compare across key parameters. We are comparing the Mahindra Thar ROXX MX-5 diesel automatic against the Force Gurkha 5-door top variant. Starting with the powertrain, the Thar ROXX gives you a refined 2.2-liter diesel with 152 brake horsepower paired to a smooth 6-speed automatic. The Gurkha stays with its 2.6-liter diesel at 140 brake horsepower and a 5-speed manual only. On off-road hardware, the Gurkha draws level with full front and rear differential locks as standard, while the Thar ROXX offers only a rear diff lock. For interior technology, the Thar ROXX pulls far ahead with its 10.25-inch touchscreen, ventilated seats, and panoramic sunroof. Safety tells the same story: 6 airbags and escape in the Thar ROXX versus 2 airbags in the Gurkha. On pricing, the Thar ROXX MX-5 diesel automatic is priced at approximately 19.05 lakh rupees ex-showroom, while the Gurkha 5-door top variant sits near 17.6 lakh rupees. Our pick is the Thar ROXX for family buyers who want comfort, tech, and off-road ability in one package. Choose the Gurkha only if you want the most mechanically proven hardcore off-roader with minimal electronics to worry about on extreme trails. Final verdict: both SUVs earn their place in this segment, but for very different buyers. The Mahindra Thar ROXX is the all-rounder: powerful engines, premium cabin, modern safety, automatic gearbox option, and enough off-road muscle for 95% of what families will encounter. It is the smarter daily driver that still thrills on weekends. The Force Gurkha 5-door is for the remaining 5%, the overlander, the expedition driver, the person who needs a front differential lock and a proven simple drivetrain when roads simply end. If this comparison helped you, comment below which one you would pick and why. Please do leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more honest vehicle deep dives.